Hello friend, today we are studying the aquarium fabrication. Myself is Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, BSc third year, paper number 14, unit number 1st. Fabrication of aquarium. Introduction. Ornamental fishes tank is otherwise called as the aquarium. An aquarium is a setup which ornamental fishes of aesthetic value are displayed for a recreation. Fabrication of a glass tank. Different type of ornamental fish tank aquarium can be made up of a material like glass, concrete, wood, glass, fiberglass, acrylic sheet, etc. depending upon its location and cost and durability. Glass tank. They are either all glass tank or a metal frame ones. In the metal, steel or iron frame tank glass planes are held in place with a putty buttery component. On the other hand, all the glass tank or glass wall are fitted together edge to edge using a silicone rubber adhesive. Nowadays, all glass tanks have a completely visible due to the popularly or metal frame tank, which are known as for their slim appearance and suitability for keeping marine fishes also. This is a glass tank. Shape of aquarium tank. Shape of aquarium tank may be circular, square, rectangular, oval, hexagonal, octagonal. However, rectangular tanks are preferred as they are provided sufficient area for free swimming of fishes. Material required for construction of a tank. Glass planes, 5 numbers, with a required size, silicone gel, squeezing gun. Construction of all glass aquarium tank. These are constructed with only a glass sheet. Rectangular all glass tank are made with a glass wall taken 5 to 10 mm in a glass tank are cutted glass walls and fitted together with a synthetic rubber slit called as silicone gum. Prior to the fabrication of a tank, side wall of the tank are arranged so as they have to desirable shape. Glasses wall are fitted with a rope in order to keep correct shape with of the tank. Then the bottom sheet of the tank is kept flat below the arrangement side wall so as to get the desired and correct shape of the tank. Cut a thermocol sheet kept at the bottom of the to rest the temporary tired glass sheet. Nowadays, silicone sealant is evenly applied all along the inner vertical and the horizontal cut end with the help of a hand applicator. Care must be taken to see all the joining. End of the glass piece are free of oil, moisture and stain. A good silent compound binds with a glass wall in 10 to 20 minutes. However, curing time of about 10 hours required to keep the setup in a tank position. Water should be poured only after 24 hours. Setting of tank. Soon after curing, the tank is kept to firm wooden or a slot iron sand, and the base of the sand should be even and smooth. An irregular placing of the sand would break the tank bottom. A uniform size thermocol is also used in between the tank and sand surface to safeguard the tank from the pressure. Method of construction of all glass tank. Flow chart. Method of construction of all glass tank. Flowchart. Keep a thermocol on the surface. Then place a bottom glass on the thermocol. Apply a thick string of silicone gel along the edge of the back of the surface. Raise a back panel. Apply a gel in the two side edges of the bottom glass plane and also edges of a fixed back glass plane. Place the side glass one by one and join with already fixed planes. Smoothen the gel with a finger and leave the tank for a day. Check the aquarium by pouring water for a leak. Thank you.